This video shows how to clean the interior and exterior parts of the Xerox B410 printer. To avoid activating buttons and menus when cleaning the printer, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to power off the printer. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Slightly dampen a soft, damp, lint-free cloth with water or glass cleaner. To remove fingerprints and smudges, clean the touchscreen and control panel with a soft, lint-free cloth. Remove the tray from the printer. Move the printer to the edge of the table. Wipe to clean both the paper tray feed rolls using a damp, soft, lint-free cloth. Insert the tray back into the printer. Remove paper from the standard bin and multi-purpose feeder. Remove any dust, lint, and pieces of paper around the printer using a soft brush or vacuum.